The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported the front-line progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes continued in some areas June 5. South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions. The attacks, launched by aviation and artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces, have resulted in the neutralisation of the enemy units near Pavlovka, Shevchenko, Donetsk People's Republic, Chervonoye, Poltavka, Preobrazhenka and Malaya Tokmachka, Zaporozhye region. The enemy losses were up to 240 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armoured fighting vehicles, 9 motor vehicles, 1 Msta-B howitzer, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system and 1 Grad multiple launch rocket system, said Igor Konasphenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The ammunition depots of the 11th Artillery Brigade and the 65th Mechanised Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine have been destroyed close to Temirovka and Preobrazhenka, Zaporozhye region. In Kherson direction, the enemy losses were up to 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 motor vehicles and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system. Lieutenant General Igor Konasphenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 433 fighter jets, 236 helicopters, 4,486 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems and 9,431 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,114 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,009 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,688 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 5 said Russia lost 410 servicemen in a single day, including 11 tanks, 11 armored combat vehicles as well as 12 artillery units and 14 drones. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked all strategic partners who help Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 467 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!